how to save Snapchat messages forever. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this way you will be sure that your messenger or your chats will not be deleted by Snapchat, and you won't have to download some other apps from Google Play or App Store, and you will see that it's really easy and you will have your messages forever. So from here you just have to go back and go to your messages, right? And then go to a chat or conversation, and I will just go to my first friend right here because he is the only one. So click on that, and then if you want to save your messages with this friend forever, you have to hold on every message. Let's try this one, the first message. You have to hold down on the first message and click on saving chat. And this way your messages with this friend will be saved forever. They will not be deleted by the Snapchat team. So yeah guys, that's it. Like I told you at the beginning, it's really simple. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.